Do you, oh yeah, and then we'll kind of transition to this, but like, are you doing contactless deliveries, or are you coming in
Most
contact with the people? I'm assuming they don't want to.
No, most people don't want to see you. So for the most part, like all my communication that I have with customers is through the app. And like I show up at their house, I drop their groceries off on their front porch.
Yeah.
Occasionally people, well, like it happens pretty frequently. People will open the door and start to bring their groceries in as you're taking them and putting them on the porch. But like I think everyone so far has been pretty respectful about your distance and like
Yeah.
not getting close to you or making sure they're in the house by the time you're bringing up another load of bags to sit on their porch.
Yeah, for sure.
I have taken tips out of people's hands. That's the closest I've gotten to anyone.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yeah.
Um, what's it? And then, I mean, this is like the biggest question that I'm sure new people who are like scared of doing it or interested, but like, what is it like shopping in the grocery store? And how do you social distance while you're doing Instacart in the grocery store?
Yeah. I was really nervous about that at first too. I definitely didn't, and still don't want to get sick. It's very hard to social distance inside of a grocery store. It's almost impossible. I mean, think about the aisles. I know some places they only have one-way aisles, so they're really trying to enforce that.
Oh, okay.
But
Yeah.
from what I've seen, for the most part, like you're not social
You're
distancing
just
at the
gonna-
grocery store. It's not really happening. Some people are mindful of it, but there's a lot that aren't. And yeah, I mean, I wear a mask. I wash my hands all the time. I've kind of accepted the fact that I might get sick
Yeah.
at this point, which sucks. Yeah, I'm a little less worried about it. And I probably shouldn't be. I mean, it's not like I've loosened, my safety measures that I'm taking because I'm less worried. I don't want to live in fear over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's weird. It's a little bit of a weird feeling for sure.